Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P0735, indicates a problem with the fifth gear ratio in the Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. This specific error suggests that the transmission is not shifting into the correct gear, which can lead to performance issues. The automatic transmission, AT, is responsible for shifting gears based on vehicle speed and engine load. The fifth gear is typically used for fuel-efficient highway driving. An incorrect gear ratio can be caused by various issues within the transmission or its hydraulic system. It's crucial to accurately diagnose the issue, to perform the appropriate repairs, and ensure the vehicle operates smoothly. DTC P0735 indicates an issue specifically related to the automatic transmission's fifth gear. The primary component affected is the transmission itself, which plays a crucial role in the vehicle's gear shifting capability. Located under the vehicle floor, the transmission orchestrates the gear changes needed for optimal performance. When there is an incorrect or faulty fifth gear ratio, it may compromise the vehicle's ability to engage properly at higher speeds, which can affect fuel economy and engine efficiency. The hydraulic elements involved in the transmission's operation may be malfunctioning, leading to this DTC being triggered. This issue requires thorough inspection and precise diagnosis to pinpoint the exact nature of the fault. There are several potential causes for the DTC P0735 in the Honda Pilot. A faulty fifth clutch could be the root of the problem. If the clutch does not apply or disengage properly, it may result in an incorrect gear ratio. Another possibility is a clogged hydraulic circuit, which can prevent fluid from reaching the necessary components of the transmission, causing it to malfunction. Inadequate line pressure due to issues with the ATF, automatic transmission fluid pump, can also lead to incorrect gear engagement. It's essential to investigate these causes systematically to determine the specific fault, as each requires different repair approaches. The proper diagnosis will ensure that the underlying issue is addressed and resolved. The symptoms associated with DTC P0735 can severely impact the driving experience. One of the most noticeable signs is poor acceleration. The vehicle may struggle to gain speed when the throttle is pressed. Additionally, drivers might hear unusual engine noises that weren't present before, indicating potential mechanical issues within the transmission. There's also a likelihood of delayed or erratic shifting, where the vehicle either shifts too late or not at all, leading to awkward driving conditions. Lastly, warning lights may illuminate on the dashboard, indicating a problem that requires immediate attention. Addressing these symptoms promptly will prevent further damage to the transmission system. The first troubleshooting step for diagnosing DTC P0735 involves confirming the issue through a series of checks. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode, which prepares the vehicle systems for diagnostics. Next, use the HDS, Honda Diagnostic System, to clear any existing DTCs. This step is essential to reset the vehicle's error codes and allow for an accurate diagnostic reading. After clearing, proceed to test drive the vehicle while ensuring it engages fifth gear for at least 12 seconds. This test drive helps in attempting to replicate the error under driving conditions similar to when it was originally triggered. Observe the HDS for any confirmed or pending DTCs post-drive, as this will guide the next steps in the troubleshooting process. In the second troubleshooting step, focus shifts to measuring the fifth clutch pressure within the transmission. The fifth clutch is crucial for engaging the fifth gear and ensuring proper operation at higher speeds. Using an appropriate gauge, measure this pressure and compare it against the service limits specified in the repair manual. If the pressure falls within acceptable limits, then it suggests that the clutch itself may be faulty. In such a case, it's recommended to replace the second, fifth clutch, or, if necessary, the entire transmission. If proceeding with the replacement, ensure to clean out any metal debris or excessive clutch material that could interfere with the new parts. This step is vital for restoring the transmission's functionality and preventing future issues related to incorrect gear ratios. The third troubleshooting step involves measuring the line pressure within the hydraulic system, which is critical for ensuring the transmission operates correctly. This line pressure must be assessed against the service limits specified in the manual. An adequate line pressure indicates that the hydraulic circuit is functioning properly and likely eliminates this as a source of the issue. However, if this pressure is outside the acceptable range, it points to a possible clog in the fifth clutch hydraulic circuit. In such a case, cleaning or replacing components would be necessary. After cleaning, one must also ensure to clear any excessive debris from the hydraulic passages to prevent recurring issues. If the line pressure is found to be acceptable, further investigation into the ATF pump or main regulator valve may be warranted, as these components could also lead to the DTC if they malfunction. After all necessary repairs related to DTC P0735 have been executed, the final repair verification process begins. This involves rechecking the clutch and hydraulic pressure to ensure they are back within the service limits. Be sure to confirm that the gear shifts are functioning smoothly through all ranges during test drives. After these checks confirm that everything operates correctly, use the HDS to clear the DTC and reboot the vehicle system. This step is essential to reset the diagnostic trouble codes and ensure that there are no lingering issues. Finally, conduct a follow-up test drive to verify that the DTC does not reappear and that the vehicle operates as expected under normal driving conditions. This comprehensive verification process is crucial for the confidence in the repairs performed. To prevent DTC P0735 from recurring, effective preventive maintenance measures should be implemented. Regularly changing the transmission fluid is essential, as clean fluid promotes efficient operation and reduces wear. It's also important to inspect hydraulic components and hoses for any signs of leaks or wear, as these can lead to hydraulic failures and incorrect pressures. Keeping an eye on overall performance issues, including unusual noises or shifting problems, can help catch potential transmission problems early. Implementing these preventive strategies can extend the longevity of the transmission system and help maintain optimal vehicle performance. A proactive approach to maintenance will save costly repairs in the long run. In conclusion, DTC P0735 highlights a significant issue with the fifth gear in the Honda Pilot, requiring diligent examination to determine the root cause. A systematic troubleshooting approach, starting from validating with HDS, checking clutch pressures, and inspecting hydraulic circuits, is essential for accurate diagnosis and repair. Each of these steps is interconnected and contributes to the overall understanding of the vehicle's transmission system. Regular preventive maintenance can play an instrumental role in avoiding such DTCs in the future, helping to maintain the health and efficiency of the entire transmission system. Prioritizing proactive measures ensures smoother operation and helps to prevent costly repairs down the line. This focus not only enhances the vehicle's performance, but also contributes to safer driving experiences. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.